Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change Gmail phone number in mobile. For that, make sure you already have your Gmail account and you're logged in. At the top right, you can see your Google icon. You have to tap over there. You can now see the number of Gmail accounts you have. Now you have to tap on the Gmail account that you want to change the phone number of. After that, you can see manage your Google account option under your Gmail. You have to tap over there. Now this page will open up. All you have to do is tap on security. Scroll down a bit. There you can see the option of recovery phone. You have to tap over there. Before continuing, they need to verify that it's you, so you need to enter your password. After that, your phone number will be displayed on the screen. All you have to do is tap on the pencil icon. And now you can update your phone number. After the update is done, all you have to do is tap on update option. The verification code will be sent to your mobile. You need to enter that, and after that your phone number will be updated. This is how you can change your Gmail phone number in your mobile device. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.